Do you dislike Canva? Check out these graphic design options that are free. Want to effortlessly make great designs without experience but don't want to pay and are tired of seeing overused Canva templates that seem to be everywhere? We've got you. These are the top free Canva substitutes for students to consider. Number 1. Vistacreate. One of the cost-free Canva options is Vistacreate. More than 25,000 pre-made static templates are available, along with 9,000 animated templates that are updated each month. You'll always have creative motivation to begin your masterpiece. The program makes it simple to develop designs for social media, blogs, promotional items, and other kinds of advertisements. Users of the free plan should be aware that they can only download a maximum of 5 designs per month. Number 2. DesignCap. Designer is a great option if you're seeking for free Canva alternatives that also let you create designs on the move. On its free plan, Designer has somewhat more features than Canva. Among them are background removal and unrestricted access to 150 million Shutterstock images. Additionally, the program provides a number of free designs for business cards, presentations, social media postings, and even resumes. Number 3. Photor. You can access photo editing capabilities like mirroring an image and applying effects with Photor, a robust online photo editor that also enables you to make graphic designs. There are pre-made themes available that you may use or explore to generate your own ideas if you need to create graphics for your social media or blog. Additionally, you may use their collage option to create a photo collage. Number 4. Adobe Express. Adobe Express, formerly known as Adobe Spark, is another one of the free Canva alternatives. Users have access to the whole collection of beautiful layouts, fonts, and royalty-free stock photos. One of the nicest aspects of the app is the smooth integration of Photoshop and Premiere thanks to the program's membership in the Adobe ecosystem. To support regional festivals and seasonal occasions like Chinese New Year, new designs are continually being created. Number 5. DesignCap. Canva and DesignCap share a drag-and-drop builder and user interface. The time-consuming task of producing expert designs for individuals without prior experience is made simpler by the graphic design platform. Users may unleash their creativity to create infographics, flyers, and social media graphics that stand out with the thousands of high-quality templates and extensive collection of images, shapes, and fashionable fonts that are available. Please be aware that the free plan only allows users to download a maximum of 5 designs.